Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have a kiddo in your life that's getting ready to go to school? Well, this book, The Pigeon Has to Go to School, is so fun. It's by Mo Williams and it helps teach them about why going to school is so important, even if they think they already know everything. You follow Pigeon along as he tries to convince you that he doesn't need to go to school and learning about what there is to do when he gets there and admitting that Pigeon is just scared to go to school. So this will help your kiddos to learn why school is so important and that it's not so scary to go, and help them get excited about going to school. So if you've got a little one in your life who needs to learn about going to school, I highly suggest getting this book by Mo Williams. The Pigeon Has to Go to School. It's super cute, really fun, really educational, and I think your kids are going to love it. And that is my point of view.